Hey, it's jdeanfia. I'm going to be showing you how to do a passing chord to get to the sits. All right, got this from Pretty Simple Music. If you haven't checked out any of his videos, check it out. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're in the key of C. All right, say we're going to play How Great Is Our God. All right, next chord is going to go to the sits. All right, so this is the move. All right, and that's going to take us to our sits in the key. If I use it in an example, I'll just play a 1. All right, going to the sits. So we got 1, and then passing chord right there. It's going to take me straight to my sits. All right, so those chords, all right, let me give them to you. What I'm doing is, first chord, I'm playing a C on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing F sharp, A sharp, and D sharp, or G flat, B flat, and E flat. Second chord, playing D flat or C sharp on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing E minor, so G, B, and E. All right, so whatever notes at the top of this chord is the chord I'm playing. So here, first chord, I'm playing an E flat minor with C. Now I'm playing an E minor with D flat. Now I'm gonna play a F minor with D in the bass. So left hand I got D, right hand I'm playing A flat or G sharp, C, and F. All right, and it's gonna take me to my sits. So put that in an example. All right, you might want to throw that passing chord in there. Right. Passing chord, I'm walking down from A flat, G, F sharp. When I hit the F, I'm hitting F with my left hand, right hand B, E, and A. So passing right there. All right, and you can finish the song out. So anytime you go into that minor chord, and when you're playing in the key of C, all right, and you want to get to the 6A, you got these passing chords, and it's going to take you straight to A minor. All right, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.